Good afternoon, this is Sean. I'm back at the shop today for just a little bit. It's clear, it's a beautiful day, it's sunny, low 50s. Tomorrow the high is supposed to be 28. Probably be single digits with the wind chill. But just came out here to work on this area next to the fence. So I got all the debris that was in the bucket and the go-kart tire and wheel. I got all that picked up. Started rooting around in this hole here, and I picked out a pretty large air filter and a container of motor oil, plastic container. So man, I hope that's just not full of trash, but it may be. Got all this raked up along the fence. So it's good to get that done. And some of this stuff was pretty good dirt compost, so I just put it around some of the trees. Saved me a couple wheelbarrow trips to the dumpster and my back. Good afternoon, this is Sean. I'm back at the shop, and we just got a couple things done today. I worked on the Queen City grinder, and then I finished up some of my yard debris cleanup. Let's have a look. So here's the Queen City grinder, and yep, I took the grinder portion off of the base. I took the bell ends off. I removed the armature. There's all the 9 leads. And the big issue is something has gone through this stone or wheel guard, and I don't know if that can be repaired or not. There's the stand. I was hoping there'd be a Colt 1911 or a bag of money down in the hole there, but nothing. Okay, that's it. You guys have a good day. Be careful, be safe. Bye.